Hello, everyone. Welcome to Joins English class. I'm your teacher, and today we're going to learn some common English idioms through a fun conversation between a teacher and a student. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to use these idioms in real-life English. Are you ready?
Hello, teacher. I'm excited to learn today's lesson.
Great. Let's begin with our first idiom.
Teacher, what is an idiom?
That's a great question. An idiom is a phrase whose meaning is different from the actual words. Learning idioms can make your English sound more natural.
That sounds interesting. Can you teach me some easy ones?
Of course. Let's start with a simple one. Yesterday, I took an English test, and it was a piece of cake.
A piece of cake? Did you eat cake during the test?
No, a piece of cake means something is very easy.
Oh, I understand. So, if my homework is easy, I can say, my homework was a piece of cake.
Exactly. Now, imagine you're meeting new classmates and everyone is quiet. What can you do?
I don't know.
You could tell a joke to break the ice.
What does that mean?
It means to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable.
That's useful. Sometimes I feel nervous when meeting new people.
Speaking of being nervous, have you ever felt afraid before doing something important?
Yes, before giving a presentation at school.
Then you could say, I got cold feet.
So, get cold feet means to become nervous?
That's right.
Teacher, what do you do before an exam?
I usually hit the books.
Let me guess. That means to study hard.
Perfect. You're learning quickly.
Thank you. But what if I don't feel well and cannot come to class?
Then you can say, I'm under the weather today.
So that means I am feeling sick.
Correct. Now, let's imagine your friend tells everyone your secret.
Oh no! I would be upset.
You could say, my friend spilled the beans.
That means my friend revealed my secret.
Exactly.
Teacher, sometimes English class feels very short.
That's because time flies when you're having fun.
I like that idiom. It means time passes quickly.
Yes. And if you pass your final exam with excellent marks, how would you feel?
Very happy.
Then you can say, I'm on cloud 9.
I hope I can say that after my next exam.
I'm sure you will. Just keep practicing English every day.
Thank you, teacher. Today I learned many useful idioms.
Great. Can you remember them?
Yes. Piece of cake, break the ice, get cold feet, hit the books, under the weather, spill the beans, time flies, and on cloud 9.
Excellent. You've done a wonderful job today.
Thank you for the lesson.
You're welcome. And now, let's call it a day.
Wait. What does that mean?
It means it's time to stop working and finish the lesson.
That's another idiom. I love learning English this way.
I'm glad to hear that. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep practicing English every day. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Joins English class. Which idiom was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next lesson.